In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the DNS IP address on Cloudflare. Whether you're looking to update your DNS settings for security reasons or to improve website performance, this tutorial will guide you through the process step by step. Let's dive in. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Cloudflare homepage by typing the appropriate URL into the address bar. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in if you haven't already. Having your credentials ready will ensure you can quickly access the features you need. Next, once you're on the dashboard, look towards the upper menu and click on Domains. This section is where Cloudflare hosts all the domains you've linked to your account. Within the Domains section, you'll see a list of all the websites you manage under Cloudflare. From this list, select the domain for which you wish to change the DNS IP address. Click on the name of the domain, and this will take you to a new set of options specifically tailored for that domain. On the new page, glance over to the left-hand side of your screen. Here you will find several options in a vertical menu. Locate the one that says DNS and click on it. This will bring you into the DNS management area, where you can see all the current DNS records associated with your selected domain. Now that you're in the DNS section, scan through the list of DNS records to find the specific IP address you want to change. Records are typically organized in rows and categorized by type, so finding the right one should be straightforward. Once you locate the correct DNS IP address, click on the Edit button adjacent to it. In the edit mode, you can input the new IP address you wish to use. It's crucial, especially in professional or live environments, to double-check this address for accuracy. An incorrect IP could lead to website downtime or even misdirected traffic. After you've entered the new IP address, review your changes carefully to ensure they're correct. Finally, after confirming the changes, look for the Save button within that section. Click on it to ensure the new IP address is stored in the Cloudflare system. This action sends your new settings into effect, but note that changes to DNS settings can take some time to propagate across the internet. This propagation period can vary, but typically DNS changes propagate within a few minutes to a few hours. And that's it. You've successfully changed the DNS IP address on Cloudflare. If you encounter any issues or need further assistance, Cloudflare's support documentation provides more in-depth help related to DNS and domain management. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.